Paano mag-load sa ating Signal Prepaid using GCash? Log into your GCash account. Click Load. Select Non-Telco. Enter the cellphone number. Under dito sa mga options, piliin ang load na gusto nyong bilhin, i-click and pindutin ang Buy Now. Click Pay depending on the amount that you want to pay. Signal load process. Take note of the reference number. You will receive the PIN number on the cell phone number you have provided. Pumunta sa Chrome at i-type ang Signal TV Web Loading. Pindutin ang Web Loading tool. Enter your Signal Prepaid account number and then dito sa PIN, i-enter yung PIN na pinadala sa inyong cellphone number. Type the text from the image and click Submit. After clicking Submit, it will prompt that your load request has been confirmed. So, naging successful ang inyong loading sa inyong Signal Prepaid account using the GCash.